To use a payment card on a phone, you need to set it up first. Start by opening your phone's wallet app, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. If you do not have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap the Add Card option, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Next, select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to provide additional information, such as your name and address. After entering your card details, you will need to verify your card. This is a security step to ensure that you are the owner of the card. You may receive a verification code by text or email, which you will need to enter into the app. Alternatively, you may be asked to contact your bank to verify your card. Once your card is verified, you can start using it to make payments on your phone. To do this, simply open the Wallet app, select the card you want to use, and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. You may be asked to authenticate the payment using a fingerprint, face recognition, or a passcode. It is also a good idea to set up a default card, which will be used for all transactions unless you specify otherwise. You can do this by going to the Wallet app settings and selecting the card you want to use as your default. In addition to making payments, you can also use your phone to track your transactions and manage your card details. You can view your transaction history, check your balance, and receive notifications when a transaction is made. Best practices for using a payment card on a phone include keeping your phone and wallet apps secure, monitoring your transactions regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to your bank. You should also make sure to only use trusted apps and websites, and never share your card details with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your payment card on your phone. This can be a convenient and time-saving way to make payments, and can also help you to keep track of your spending and stay on top of your finances.